Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're back where we was about 4 weeks ago. After going up Hardknott, we're here at the Hardknott fort. It's a grumpy day, as you can see from the sky behind me. We're in for a day of crashing clouds, drama, and well, hopefully some good images. What a place! You can smell the history. It's everywhere, from stone, grass, and beyond the ground. The spirits of the ancient, the past is just everywhere on this hilltop. That's enough of that. I almost sounded like Bill Oddie on acid. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. If you just venture around here and don't get caught up in the maze of rocks and walls and the ancient past history coming to life, look out beyond and look what you can see. Look at those crags. That's the Valley of Eskdale heading up to the place I absolutely love, and we've not been back since. Great Moss and the mighty fells of Lakeland. Absolutely beautiful. I am very, very excited today because when we came here last, I couldn't breathe. I couldn't move. I was done, knackered, kaput, zilch, not another bit of creative muscle left. But today, as you can hear with the tone of my voice, I am ready. Well, Will's just informed me, Heron Crag, and on top, Gorbengast. Now, what a name that is.
There's a route called Gorbengast, yeah.
What a word, Gorbengast, a route over the top, and he's done it. Now you won't catch me doing it, but wow, what a view that is. Wonderful scenes here. Right, big camera out, gonna take a shot. Sithee in a bit. Yeah, so I was practicing my voice for a little documentary I've been asked to do for the BBC. It's called Mali and his pie. Being close to Wigan, that's an insult to me. No, I'm joking. Or am I? Pie power. It's become a thing with the fell walking. But today, meandering between the fort, heading up to Hardknott and following a route that Burping Mikey has kindly set forth for us today.
Morning.
A beautiful route over the top and down into Eskdale Valley, and there's a lot of mood. There's a lot of water. Look at this. Laura boots, they love it. Dry feet all day, buy your Laura today. Pretend sponsorships, it's a thing I've got going. Well, we're almost at the top of Hardknott. Very slow, chilled day with the wonderful guys, Jen, John, Paul, Angela, hold on, Will and Mikey, and we're in search of shaftage on Great Moss. All hail the mighty shafts of light that shall grace the foreground of Great Moss. So come on, but before we do, a wee chat about the future of these videos. I've got a load lined up. I'm taking it easy. I'm not rushing with them. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Light here. I think we'll do all right today. But my question to you all is, you like me out and about, doing what I'm doing, mooching, talking, and then all the images at the end. Any suggestions on what you would like to see? But here's mine, so let me know your thoughts. I'm thinking of, like today, we're out, we're heading up to the top of Hardknott, and to produce a start to finish, if you like, from being out in a location, getting back to the studio, showing you an edit, showing you how I do the whole process, even backing up, getting files off camera, how I labelled them all, creating the content, doing my photography edits, producing the images for the video, the whole shaboogle, right down to a final print on some archival photo speed paper, and showing you how I get that final print. Let me know your thoughts down below. Right, come on, we want shaftage, we want great moss, we want biblical light. Let's do it, come on. It's happening. The moments of passing light from being clagged into pure HD vision, it just came alive. Honestly, it just felt like I've been to Specsavers. It's still happening now towards Great Moss and the big boys, and it just feels as if your eyes adjust so quickly from the clag that it pops, and the greens are so luminescent. And look at that light there now cascading across the top into the stream. The water coming down is full flow, white frothy, beautiful line of silver cutting through the landscape. And these clouds are ripping across, and that's what's been hitting us. The clouds cover us and then they disappear, and wow, the whole vision, the whole scene just comes alive. Wonderful. As you can see it happening there now, towards Black Combe, I think, that way. And behind me, that's where we was. That's where we was about 3 weeks ago, height of fell. And we didn't get conditions, it went really flat, as you've seen in that video. If you've not watched that video, there's a link here now. I give it a click. Like, subscribe, all that business, right? We're off for our 11s. And Angela wants for top out, because that's the official way right there of Hardknott Pass. Sithee. My goodness me. I am looking through the viewfinder, I am completely lost for words again. Can you see me, mother? Right. I think I say this every time I go on a fell, that this is the best fell I've been on, but seriously, Hardknott so far. Oh my. Revealing, not revealing. Can you see this cloud coming in now? And then the light. It's gone bitter cold. Oh, I've got to go, because that is beautiful. Be right back. Oh, what? Come on, let's top out. Let's get this light. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. looking at possibly one of the greatest beautiful scenes in Lakeland, and you have got us to look at. Hello! But what we're looking at is a lot of mountains that have just been described, but I've forgot all the names in 30 seconds. Wonderful, wonderful scenes. Stick around if you want to see what we're all looking at, and I'll put the pictures up at the end.
You tease. Look at this light. Gorgeous, isn't it?
Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, matron. Oh, matron. Oh, look at that. Oh, I see. Pamela. Oh, look at that. That's what we're all looking at, ladies and gentlemen. Fill your boots on that. Look at that. Whoa, what? Oh, beautiful. I really don't want to leave yet, but it's getting on. It's been a long day. From yesterday, getting here and having 5 pints in the wool pack, as you do. And bog of eternal stench. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, started at 5:15. Couple of paracetamol, boots on, met up with everyone, and off we trot. Not a slog up Hardknott, a really easy fell, and what you get, as you've seen, incredible. Temperatures dropped again, and the lights falling and fading, and it's only 4:20. But I wanted to say about this that landscape photography isn't easy because of the great outdoors and what challenges that nature throws at you. But today has been bliss, and when those days arrive, grab them with both hands. I wasn't going to vlog today because I'm with these lovely people. My good pals, Jen, Angela, Mikey, John, Paul, and our Will. An absolute pleasure to spend time with them, each and every one of them. Laughs. It's boggy. It's boggy. Right. I'm gonna let you go because it's getting a bit difficult under the foot. So I hope you've really enjoyed this. As we go and head home, might have a pint first. So if you like what you've seen, hit subscribe, and if you want to see more, hit the notification bell. But also check out some of my other videos of recent days. Yeah, so drop me your thoughts down below, and until next time, there's only one thing left to say, and that's Sithee.